in the world? All right, good morning, folks. This is going to be a great, incredible morning. I'm on some old homestead property. And a friend of mine that I went to school with, Ben Pollock, gave me permission to go here. Ben's here this morning. He's going to check it out for a little bit. And this is going to be incredible. Now, if you see right behind me that wood frame structure, that's the only piece left of that house that was originally here from the homestead. But let's talk to Ben, and he'll give us a little history here on the property before we start digging. Stand by.
What I know about the property is all from my uncle Jim Pollock.
Yeah.
And in 1922, Spivey Road was named Pot Liquor Alley.
Wait, say that again. What was the name of it?
Pot Liquor Alley.
Pot Liquor Alley. Okay.
The Jews, you know, back in the Depression, you drank everything and ate everything on your plate. And glad to get it.
Yeah.
My day, Jim Pollock and Tom Pollock planted a grove. Jim had 20 acres and Dad had bought 10 side by side, and they farmed it together. Both families lived here until they died. So,
well, I'm excited to get started, man. What do you say we start digging, buddy?
All right, it sounds exciting.
Let's do it, man. Man, this is a big shotgun. I don't know what this is. Hang on, let me clean it up. I'll get to you.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. If it's a 10 gauge, it would be an old.
Nice. Well, we'll get a date on
yeah,
for that. I can look that up. Folks, this shotgun round is over 100 years old. What I want you to do right now is stop, and I want you to write down this website, www.cartridgecorner.com, because this is a site that I use to identify my head stamps when I find them, and it's awesome. Right here you can see it's from 1884 to 1894. So you go through this site and they've got every shotgun round head stamp that you can imagine. It is loaded. So take your time, go through, just read the head stamp, and you'll see right here I pulled up Remington UMC, and look at all the different rounds with the dates that they were made. Just another great tool that you can use, so be sure and write that down, the cartridge corner, and it's a great tool, folks. So let's get back to digging and see what else we can find. So here's the plug. We know it's right in here because I just scanned it, and this is what we call a pinpointer. This thing is like a mini metal detector. It just makes life so much easier. So we know it's right in here somewhere. See, it's not going off here, but it is right here. So Ben, folks, just so you know, is watching. So it's right here, and this is it. Ben, you've been shooting some shotgun rounds, buddy.
Oh my goodness!
Look at that. There's a good chance you shot that thing now.
No, I don't think so. This is real.
Old?
They're real, yeah.
Wow, that round is 1901 to 1910. Hey folks, I think it's really important. I wanted to throw this in there. On a permission search, if you get the opportunity to let that owner use the pinpointer, maybe the metal detector, just talk about our hobby and the craft. That's so important, and it just gives them a better understanding of what we do, why we do it, and they will remember that for a long time. I know a lot of you guys do that, and when you're at the beach as well, just take a few minutes out. It's not going to kill you to talk to a child, give them a couple pennies or coins that you found, and it will make their day. And on a permission search, the owner won't forget. Trust me. So we're digging a 2122 right here. We're still looking for that sweet honey hole. So let's take a look at the plug. It's right in there. You want to try it with this? Or you want to use your hands? Doesn't make it fast.
Yeah. Oh, it's money.
Oh, look, dude.
You're in money.
No, man. Let's see if it's a wee penny. Clean it off. Yeah.
It may be a dime.
I think. Oh, no, it's a wheat, dude. Look, it's a wee penny. See how excited I get?
Yeah.
And you're like, oh, it's a wheat. It's worth 3 cents. We will have to get the date cleaned off a little bit later, but there you go, folks. Ben dug it up. First wheat penny.
Yeah.
All right, we are, I mean, within inches of where we just found that wheat penny, and I was getting another hit. You always check your hole. So something is right in here. So you use the tip of it. So I know it's right here. I'm going to use my other hand so I can feel it. There it is. And look, there you go, Ben. Another coin. Another wheat penny right next to it. 2 wheats. All right, right next to the sidewalk just had 2 signals, same hole. 1971 penny and a crusty, rusty nail. May have lost it. It's not like a penny, but it looks like it could be an Indian head. See the green? Ooh, it's a wheat penny. This is a third wheat penny, and it's time to bring out the dancing alien. Yeah, baby. Another round, folks. Wow, 1915 to 1942. All right, folks, I'm going to work this clothesline. This looks really good. Been here forever. There's got to be a button, a dime, some chains, something underneath here. Let's check it out. First item underneath that clothesline, another, looks like shotgun round. Yeah, 12 gauge, right underneath the clothesline. If you're wondering why my gloves are off and my knee pads, man, I just hit a big old ant pile. So I yanked everything off. Here we go. What is this? I definitely will have to ask Ben about that. That looks like something with horses maybe, or, oh, that's cool. Underneath the clothesline right here. Interesting. Guys, I got this cleaned up. I did electrolysis, and, well, I still had no idea what it was. But I put it on a Facebook forum metal detecting site, and it was identified within minutes. Ended up being an antique bed rail bracket from like 1890 up to around 1920. And it went on a bed frame. That is amazing. So thank you to those individuals that reached out and identified this. Let's see, it looks like a dime. Yeah. Ooh, just an old Lincoln. Huh. Right here. And big fat rusty nail. So cool. It's a dime. There you go. I'll take it. Another penny. Double G. Nice ring up under this tree. Again, trees have got it going on. It's a memorial. Right here. So hard to feel in this soil. What is that? Oh, there you go. Stinking Lincoln. Yeah, I wonder if somebody dropped it when they were making this thing. That is so cool looking. And close. Put the sniper coil on. Trying to work it a little different here. Guys, this little 6-inch double D coil, I'll call it a sniper coil, is so much better to have when you got to separate targets, you got a little trash. And I just love using it going back over an area because you're going to find items that you missed before.
I feel something there. What the heck is that? Something out of a weight, some type of a weight or an old clock or curtain or... Look at there. Interesting. That's why that thing was ringing up so loud. Ooh, that's not a penny. What in the world? Fishing lure thing. Oh, look at that. That is so awesome. Oh, I've got to find out the history on this.
This was a pendant that probably was on this gentleman's shirt. He was a veteran of World War II. Probably lost underneath the clothesline, and it represents the USS Maine, and that was destroyed. It was sank in a Havana harbor in 1898.
Another penny with a sniper coil this time. See it? Something metallic. Ooh. What is that? It's like a little toy gun cylinder. Yep. There you go, folks. Ben probably played with that little cylinder of something. Something else. Ooh. Oh, it's the barrel. Yeah, pretty, yeah. The rest of it's got to be in here somewhere.
Hey guys, I'm back and I'm all cleaned up. That was a lot of fun out there, meeting Ben, number one. Ben and I grew up together and used to have a lot of fun. And that was some Homestead property. He did say, the gentleman, that his uncle had some type of an old detector and used to use it on the property as well. So maybe he got some of the stuff. But, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I really need to increase my numbers here. I'm right at 303, 305. Of course, this video may not air for another month or so, and it could be a little higher, but help me out. Share the video, talk about it, post it, tell me what you like and don't like. I get back on every single comment. Just hit me up and I will get back with you. And I appreciate you guys following me. It's been a blast. Thanks for following Double G, and I'll see you on the next dig.